your animals doing unmentionable on your carpet? Well, let me show you what to do. Remove as much of the debris as you possibly can. Grab yourself some borax. Yes, it works on carpet too. Make sure your carpet is wet, then apply the borax and then work into the carpet well. The carpet has been vacuumed and dried, and look at the noticeable difference. Don't grease in your oven like this. Let me show you how to fix it. Generously squirt some soap on it. Me, I use Blue Dawn. Half a cup of borax. Who ordered half a cup of borax? Lightly apply the vinegar and make a paste. Now lightly scrub and then wipe off. And here you will never know the grease spilled all over it. I'm Calamity Girl, and this is my point of view. Does the back of your pots or pans ever look like this?
Oh my
When
God.
it should look like, we're going to put two products to the test. Who will it be? Barkeeper's Friend or baking soda? The baking soda side seems to be going very well. However, it is taking a lot of energy and a lot of product. As you can see, Barkeeper's Friend is cleaning up a lot easier and takes far less energy to put into the cleaning. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have a clear winner here. It is the product on the right, Barkeeper's Friend. I'm Calamity Girl, and guess what? This is my point of view.